Today I will show you 3 super easy and tasty summer somen noodles with simple ingredients. Each one takes less than 10 minutes to make, so stay cool and enjoy the summer together. Let's get started. First up, cucumber somen with fluffy and tangy cucumber sauce. This one is based on a traditional Japanese technique you sometimes see at fancy restaurants, but no worries, it's super simple to do at home. Before grating, rub the cucumber with salt and roll it on a cutting board. This little trick helps clean the surface and take away any bitterness and helps it soak up the seasonings. I'm using a Japanese style grater to create this fluffy cucumber texture, but a box grater works just fine too. Then simply mix the grated cucumber with salt, sugar, and vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar, but if you don't have it, apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar works fine. Set aside while we get the noodles ready. Next is tuna and tomatoes. This one is really light and flavorful. Just cut your cherry tomatoes into quarters. Then mix them with lemon juice, salt, and canned tuna. If you're using a tuna packed in oil, use it as is. If it's packed in water, add the liquid in, then drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil. That's it! Super easy. And the last one is miso chicken somen. This one is savory and so satisfying. In a bowl, whisk together miso, sugar, and either a dashi or water. Then stir in rice vinegar. This will be our sauce. For the toppings, we are using shredded cucumber and cooked chicken breast. Slice a flat edge off the cucumber to stabilize it, then slice it thinly. Stack the slices and cut into matchsticks. Try to make them about the same thickness as the somen noodles. It makes everything easier to mix and eat. Slice some onions for a little extra flavor and shred your cooked chicken into thin strips using your fingers. Or if you have a pork shab-shab meat, that works great too. Now let's boil the noodles. Unwrap your somen bundles ahead of time so you can drop them all in all at once. I'm using frying pan or skillet. The openings are wide and you don't need a lot of water. Cook on high heat and give it a gentle stir occasionally. If it starts to boiling over, just add a splash of cold water. After 90 seconds, drain the noodles and rinse them in cold water. And be careful, don't touch them at first because they are still hot inside. Change the water a couple of times. On the third rinse, give the noodles a good swish to wash off any extra starch. Then add some ice cubes and swish again until the noodles are nice and cold. This step gives them that firm, silky texture we love. Now let's plate everything up. Place your chilled noodles on a tray, spoon over the cucumber sauce, and if you have umeboshi, add that too. Cucumber cools your body, and umeboshi helps with summer fatigue. It's old school Japanese wisdom. Pour the tuna and tomato mixture on top and sprinkle with chopped shiso leaves for refreshing aroma. You can use green onion or parsley leaves instead of shiso leaves. Lay the noodles in a tray or shallow bowl, top with cucumber and chicken and sliced onion. Spoon over the miso sauce and sprinkle some sesame seed, and toss everything together just before eating. And that's it! 3 ways to enjoy chilled somen noodles this summer. They are light and delicious and so easy to make. Let me know which one you want to try first in the comment, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. Stay cool and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!